porn stars, wet bars, driving around in fancy cars, high price cigars, bags of coke, pass the pipe and take a toke. Strip show, killer blow, $1,500 hoe, double D's bouncing in my face. Let's go nuts and wreck the place. Let's get loaded, let's get mean. I wanna party like Charlie Sheen. I wanna party like Charlie Sheen. Lap dance, no pants, that's what I call romance. Long legs, mini skirts, drinking till my liver hurts. Get ripped, get stripped, get $1,000,000 for every script. Let's get $1,000,000 bills and roll like Chuck through Beverly Hills. Down on Sunset, on the Seine. I wanna party like Charlie Sheen. I wanna party like Charlie Sheen. Drinking, smoking, I ain't joking. Let's hit the lights of Hollywood. It's good to get, and the getting's good. Girls that know just what to do, jump on you like a kangaroo. We'll get high, we'll get stoned, we'll eat pie, they'll get boned. Drunken orgies, limousines. I wanna party like Charlie Sheen. Let's get crazy, let's get obscene. I wanna party like Charlie Sheen. I wanna party like Charlie Sheen. Let's go. The night we met, I thought I'd found true love. You were an angel sent from heaven above, but I was just a fool put under your spell. 'Cause you are a demon sent straight from hell, oh girl. You put the cunt in country. On our wedding day, you looked so fine. We ate sloppy joes and drank a box of wine. You were my woman and I was your man. Then you jerked off my cousin in the back of his van, oh girl. You put the cunt in country. I worked 3 jobs so you could have it all. I made him scrape your number off the bathroom stall. You said you'd be faithful, you said you'd be true. Why'd you let the bowling team take turns on you, oh girl? You put the cunt in country. You wrecked my truck while you were high on crank. You gave herpes to my Uncle Hank. You sold my dog for a can of Schlitz. You let the mailman come on your tits. When we got divorced, you hauled off all my stuff. 'Cause stealing my heart just weren't good enough. You took my trailer, you took my soul. You took the truck driver up your big asshole, oh girl. You put the cunt in country. Yeah, girl. You put the cunt in country. Well, she ain't much to look at. Her conversation is a bore. She wasn't blessed with beauty. She's as flat as a trailer door. But she's got a talent that's so hard to find. She's a special little lady, a real one of a kind. She's got no gag reflex. She can take it up to the sack, and I gotta get my baby back. She's got no gag reflex. Now she's swallowing another guy. I just wanna curl up and die. Well, I met her down at Cody's, playing 301. We drank a couple buckets and started having fun. So we crawled into my camper and things got going fine. Then she unzipped my Wranglers and blew my fucking mind. She's got no gag reflex. She can take it up to the balls, but you won't return my call.